Alright guys, so today we're going to get this TY260B Fiasa string trimmer unboxed. This is not offered here in North America. It's actually an Argentinian model, but I picked it up through a local wholesaler here in Canada. So in the box we have the trimmer itself, a mixing bottle for the fuel, some safety glasses, the owner's manual, which is of course in Spanish, so we cannot read that. Have some gloves with the manufacturer on them. The trimmer spool itself just threads onto the end of the shaft. A tool bag here, some hand tools, and the guard for the end of the trimmer head. So I'm just going to get this set up here and we'll put some fuel in it, get it started for the first time. Alright, so here's the trimmer, fully assembled. It's fairly easy to put together. It's a full crank 2-stroke engine. Has the same pull starter as the Hitachi branded trimmers. We'll get some gas into this thing and see how it starts up. So we'll just put the kill switch to the run position. If you squeeze the trigger and push this little button down, it'll hold the throttle partially depressed. We'll prime it. Now it has some fuel in the carburetor. Put the choke on, give it a pull. guys, so overall I think that I would recommend this Fiasa by Toyama. It's the 260B trimmer and seems to do a pretty good job. The only complaint I have with it, which I probably will take apart, have a look at, is the end here seems to have a little bit of play, just some up and down play. I believe that all that's securing it is the center bolt, which is very common on curved shaft trimmers. I might be able to maybe put some vinyl washers in there or something just to tighten that up a bit. Other than that, the engine is very good. It's rubber mounted to the shaft. This is aluminum. This front casing is aluminum. And it even has a full metal tank guard there on the bottom, which is pretty nice. Like I said, I paid 120 Canadian for this, which is a really good deal for a brand new string trimmer. Like I was saying, everything is in Spanish, and it's not even from here. So the person who I bought it off of, they said that one of their family members is like a wholesaler. I bought it out of a warehouse, and that they go all around the world and buy different products and sell them here in Canada. So anyways, thought that'd be like a little interesting video there. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.